students. So in this video I will discuss about to develop the lateral surface of the hexagonal prism sectioned by a cutting plane inclined at angle 45 degree to HP and bisecting the axis. Prism size is 25 mm, height is 60. So as usual I will be first drawing the XY line, reference line. Now the size of the hexagon is 25 mm. So I will be taking 25 mm edge. Okay, now I'll be using the circle method again. You can take the compass and you can find out the center. Then you can draw this circle. So the top view of this hexagonal prism will be a hexagon, a regular hexagon. Now I'll be doing just marking the arcs. And you can join these arcs to make the hexagon. Yes. So this is the top view of this hexagon. So upper edges it will be having two edges, upper base and lower base. Upper with numerals and lower base is alphabets. I am making it A, B, C, D, E, F. It is the top view. Yes. Now I will be projecting the front view from this top view. Always I will be drawing the projectors through this all the edges. Yes, C and E will be having the same vertical projector like B and F, the same vertical projector. Yes. So these are the vertical projectors. Now the height is 60. So I'll be measuring 60 mm. Then I'll be drawing. So this is 60 mm. So all these 60. Now you can join this on the top. Yes, and this edge as well. You can also join these edges. So this will be visible, but it will be foreshortened. These two. Now I can name it as, say, it is 1 dash. This is 6 dash 2 dash. This is 5 dash 3 dash. And this is 4 dash. And the lower base is A dash, F dash, B dash, E dash, C dash, and D dash. Now this is the front view. I'll be now drawing this center line through this center. I have already got the center. So this is the axis line, chain line. Okay. Now I will be measuring this. It is bisecting the axis, cutting plane. So it will be 30 from bottom side. So I'll be drawing a horizontal line through this. Now the cutting plane angle is 45. I have measured this 45 degree. I'll be drawing the cutting plane line through this. which is 45, it is given. Okay, I'll be making this thick at the edges. Yes. Now you can mark these points say as P dash, Q dash, R dash and S dash. So it is cutting these 1A, 2, 6 and 2B and 6F, 3C and 5E and 4D respectively. Now you can draw a horizontal line passing through the top of this prism throughout. Okay, and then you can also take this, draw this line for the height. Yes. Now the base edges will be 25 and it will be six rectangles. So I'll be taking this, I'm measuring 25 and then marking it 6 times. 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Now you can draw these vertical edges through all these points or arcs. Draw it first, you need to draw it thin lines. Always draw thin lines first. Whatever will be required thick, then I will make it thick. Yes. Now this is 4D, 5E, 6F, 1A, 2B, 3C and again 4D. Now here in the front view you can check there are 4 points P, Q, R and S dash. So you can draw the horizontal lines through this. All the edges P, Q, R, S. This is parallel line method. Draw thin lines. All the edges P, Q, R, S. Now you can check this S is only touching 4D. So I'll be marking a point on 4D on the same horizontal 4D on the. So it will be 2 points 4D. Then R is touching 3 and 5. So it will be 5 here and 3. Yes. Q is touching 2 and 6. 2 and 6. So it will be 6 here and 2 here. And then P is touching only 1A. So 1A is here. Okay. So I'll be joining now. Now you can join all these points with straight lines and thick lines. Yes. All the points you need to join. You can also make this outside edges as thick edges. And the bottom edge as well. Yes. Now it is complete. I will be doing the dimensioning only. So I have done the dimensioning as well. You can check the size, all the dimensions I have done. So this is the development of the hexagonal prism. Yes, I hope you got it. Thank you very much.